This is for my fellow Jamaicans. If you are planning to migrate to America, this is not the best time. But if you do not sell your house in Jamaica. Do not abandon your things in Jamaica. Most of us Caribbean people, and I can speak for most Jamaican that I know, I work hard to come back to Jamaica. We work 2 and 3 jobs just to reach back to Jamaica. Enough of we up here, we have it hard. It's not easy. Some of we pretend like all is well. All is not well. Some of we up here suffer like dog. Have it hard, rough. They just pretend like all is well, but it's not well, sweetheart. Do not sell all the things that Jamaica and run come at this place. Me can warn you right now. Don't sell all the things when you leave Jamaica to come to America. You might regret it. The place is not what they make it seem. Do you hear me? Do not sell all the things. Run come here, sir, just for suffer. And I wish you never sell your back your house at Jamaica. Don't sell the house. Don't sell the things them. Hold on as much as you can back there. Even if you not leave and say when you get to the green card, or even don't even think about running off right now, because running off is like a sentence, to be honest. You're going to go right back there and you sell everything, you have nothing, and a little bit of money you have, then go to take it from you and keep it, because that's them plan. Welcome back, everybody. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Julie. I hope all is well with everyone. Another day, which I'm grateful for, because a lot of people didn't make it to see this day. So if you're watching this, I guess you made it too. Oh, like I was saying, some of us Jamaicans are running away to something, the unknown. Anywhere we go other than Jamaica is the unknown. But coming to America right now is so much things that's happening that I will tell someone that's planning, if you have a visa and you're planning to run off, don't do it right now. If you have a green card, or more like your family file for you, and you're in the process of coming, and you could come, but if you have a house and a car, don't sell it. Do not sell your stuff in Jamaica. You won't be able to buy them back if you choose to go back. You won't be able to afford to go back to live. And that's the biggest mistake a lot of people have made over the years. Assuming that, okay, I could go, I'm going to work the money, I could make it, and I'm going to be able to come back to Jamaica and buy a house. You're not going to be able to. Do y'all see the prices in Jamaica? To be honest, some of the stuff that's happening in America right now, I wouldn't advise anyone to run away to this place. I'm here living, yes, I'm an American citizen. I've been here since I was a child, so my situation is a little bit different. And it's different because I did a lot of things, but also I'm the type of Jamaican that, even though I came here young, did do my due diligence to go home, learn about my roots, and realize that, hey, this is where I want to be in my latter part of my years. And that's the reason why I could speak like this, because I didn't just give up on my country, even though people might feel that way. Some of the things I didn't have a choice. This is what I know being here in America right now. So I took full advantage of it. And I'm not saying, people will say, okay, that's what I want to do. I want to come to America. But America is not the same anymore, love. America is not the same where you come here and you could work hard and you're going to gain. People right now can't even pay rent or mortgage. It's so tough that a lot of people are having it so hard. I'm not saying don't come. I'm telling you, do not sell your things. Do not abandon Jamaica completely and assume you're going to come here and get rich. That's what the point I'm trying to get across. So if you're interested, you watch. Now, with some example, fair example, 10 years ago, you could rent or even buy a place for $100,000. $100,000 place right now is costing you $200,000, $300,000. A rent you used to pay for for 1 bedroom, say $560. Say I'm talking about Florida. You're gonna pay $560, $700 for a 1 bedroom. A 1 bedroom right now is $1,100, $1,200 for rent. I'm talking about. Remember, you're still making bare minimum. If you're coming from Jamaica with certain education, even if you're a doctor, lawyer, or whatever, your money don't mean nothing. Matter of fact, your education don't mean nothing. Not your money, your education don't mean anything. Now, if you sold your house, and say you came here and you decided, say, I'm going to go ahead buy a place when I get there, or rent a decent apartment or whatever, right? And I kind of say you can afford $1,200 per month. And you come here and get a job that's paying you even $25 per hour, right? I'm just keeping it what I know that some of the basic rates should be right now, around $25. You're making $25 an hour, and you're getting the bare minimum of 40 hours per week. How much money you think you're making? You're not making anything to pay these rent, light, water, and all of that. You get what I'm saying? Now, that shouldn't deter you or tell you, that shouldn't stop you from coming. I'm just saying it's not the right time to pack up all your goods, sell everything, and say that's it for Jamaica. Because right now Jamaica is looking pretty good to a lot of people. Jamaican lifestyle is looking great to a lot of people right now, even my darn self. And why I say it like that is the truth. I'm speaking the truth. Jamaica looking really, 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 really good right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going anywhere, car. My only thing is with Jamaica right now is that it's following suit with America. Everything America do, Jamaica follows. And it's sad, but it's true. A lot of us don't want to admit that's what's happening, but it is happening. Is it fair to the locals down there? No. It's not fair, because I got to go back and face this thing, because I'm only few, like maybe less than a couple years or so, less than that away to going home. So I don't really want to give up my time frame, but yes, I'm going home pretty soon. So this is something that I gotta, think about. But at the end of the day, I'm going to the country here. I will plant what I gotta plant, grow what I can grow. I know I can't grow everything, but I do plan to eat local. Yes, I do. I plan to eat local food. Local food is healthy. Remember, I heard somebody said it over and over. I've heard it over the years, and I think I heard somebody earlier said it. The richest people are healthy people. So if you're not healthy, you're not rich, to be honest, because guess what? You could have all the money in the world and lay on that bed, sick as hell. Yeah, you're a rich man, but also a man that's about to pass. You're not going anywhere. Certain diseases you have, no matter how much money you have, you can't get rid of it, right? So if you're healthy, strong, healthy person, human being, it does healthy. You can still get up and do certain things. You know what I'm saying? To better your life, your health. And that's my thing and reasoning for going to Jamaica. My health. It's not about just the fact that, that's where I'm from. Of course, that's the majority, but that's not just it. The healthy lifestyle. The healthy lifestyle that I'm looking forward to. And yes, I am looking to a healthy lifestyle. I do want a better lifestyle. I do not want to be laying up in a bed at 65. I'm not saying it can't happen to me in Jamaica, but if I choose to live a certain kind of life, Jamaica is the best place for me, for the lifestyle that I'm looking forward to. You get what I'm saying? I'm not looking forward to be confined to no bed at 65, 70. I want to still be able to go outside, pick my fever grass, and make a cup of tea or peppermint or whatever the case might be. Minty, as we call it. I want to say peppermint, we say minty. No, with all of that said, what we don't realize that we are going right now in America. America pretty much for the next 4 years tied down, because for one, coming out this country the way route enough people normally do, not gonna get the opportunity anymore, because you go by embassy, you're gonna get, now gonna get it at this point. And if you do get it and you plan for run off, certain things are gonna stricter than before. So running off is not going to be an option for a lot of people anymore. And it wouldn't, and for me as a person, as a grown woman, me wouldn't advise no young person right now to come up here and run off, because they're gonna have it hard. Me mind no family now put up people like them used to, If you can't help your family member within a week or two, because back in the days you used to get maybe a month or two. Now, a family member is not going to put you up for a good 2 weeks without asking you for something to buy food. Because you come from Jamaica, that don't mean say you're broke. And if a family member knows that you sell a car, you sell your house, or whatever the case, or you rent it out, whatever the case, because most people in Jamaica are not as unfortunate as people might think. People have things in Jamaica, and I leave Jamaica with a little shilling in them pocket. People now left like one time broke. When women have no money, me just go America, me not have no money, me just start life. No, people already established a certain way in Jamaica, so when them come here, so they're not broke. And we all know that, because some people get this little thing in their head like everybody broke when I come to America. No, they're not. Now, at the end of the day, is it fair for a person where I buy egg for $7 a dozen, you go to them yard and just yam them food, and you don't contribute nothing? No, it's not fair. It can't be fair, and you can't expect that to be fair. You come up with your change in your pocket. You maybe have say a good, even a little 10 grand or 5 grand. A person tell you say you can stay them house for them give a month. And for the month you're there, you feel comfortable just eat for them food, sleep underneath for them shelter, and not contribute nothing to it. I know say you have money in your pocket. Come on now. If you not contribute something, them are gonna put you out. I can tell you in a less than 2 weeks. Especially if they know you're there at Jamaica, you they have certain things at Jamaica. I mean, I put your backside out too, because I think about it in our conscience. Especially if you come there and see me with my husband and picking them where we have to still go to work and pay our bills them. But now come tell us if I pay my bills, because my bills I have to pay regardless if they come or not. Yes, you come for me help, but you can't expect say, okay, me get a free shelter. So you want me to feed you too? No, I'm not saying go. Me not gonna feed you, Bridget. Me not feeding you. You go feed yourself. Cause furthermore, me gonna tell you, so listen, I pick them food and I pick them food. Cause food too expensive, man. Me can't afford. Yo, let me tell you something. Me can't afford to buy my food for my pick them and somebody else come near me too. Like someone else, me see some woman there with some man, and the man now work. Me get that, you know. So if a man have a difficult time, there's nothing wrong with that. But there's some man will just come there once in a while and stuff, and then cook the biggest fish. Give the man the rice and peas. The vegetable, for the man have the rice and peas and vegetable on one plate. And then fish on another plate. Man barely come out the yard, you know. Man don't contribute to bills. Man don't contribute to household. And of them then get the most. Me not them type of woman there, no. Not a friend. Because I don't care if we are friend. You now come get the biggest fish out of my pot when me have my husband there. Or make a share you on a special plate when me have my husband. No. I might pick them. No. So that not gonna happen. So like me I say, no for the people them want on a plan for get up and run come out this place. Don't do it. Don't do it, because sorry, me I think my teeth in my eye bad me really bad. It sometimes it just, especially when the time when the pollen them I fall off of the tree and it's getting towards springtime, me have it really, really bad. So anyways, like me I say, anybody, if you don't plan to come out this place, be careful, think twice. Don't sell off on the things them at Jamaica. Don't get up and squander on a little money. And prepare yourself say for have a little food money if you give people them, because me I tell you, food price up here kill our backside. We have food bank every Thursday and Friday about the place that open up. People you want to see the line them from Benz, Bima, Porsche. Me think me see all jog in there. Me see every there's no car, and mind you know them car the expenses still for paying, but the church not care. The church I help people. Me I pray to God say every day God bless me enough for me not to wind up in them. And guess what? Me not judge people them for in them. Me just tell us how hard things are right now for a lot of people. And it no matter what nation. Me I tell you, you have black, white, Chinese, yellow. It doesn't matter. Hunger do not exempt. Okay? No one is exempt from hunger. So let me tell you something. If we don't have a little house and look at things at Jamaica on a plan for come here, don't just sell them off and run come at this place, because this place are practically done. For the next 4 or 5 years, I can't tell you this right now, are they one of the hardest places to survive for a lot of people. New York City, some part of Florida, right now, them all the immigration, them are run up, you know things like that ICE thing done. Listen, them are running the people are sorry so that people can't even stay still. People have to hide. It bad me I telling you. Enough people don't want to talk about these things because they're afraid to talk, but me I telling you something. And everybody want to portray it like America is still big and great and everything is fine. Everything is not fine over here for enough of it. Enough of we are suffer like dog. We just not talk about it. We have hard times. Somehow we go work, somehow we not have no work. And then somehow we're there where sit down and I get 2 little shilling from the people them free money. Then can't get it no more because guess what? Them cut that off. The money where you say go to Jamaica, you say, you can't send up in the Western Union and get a little money now. If you do get it from somebody, because none of the people that even send was illegal, so they don't have it. They don't have it no more. Because none of them can't go to work for work. The money come send, come get sister, mother, brother. So enough people at Jamaica also gonna feel this heavy hit because the fact say enough of the things that we used to get for free are people. Mom not gonna say free because your family members send you Sydney. Well, a freeness because we don't get it for free. But enough people are gonna suffer because the fact say this situation right here I get really, really, really bad. It's not just a trickle down effect now. It's a pour. It's not trickling like rain, like you know, like raindrops. It's pouring. Every day is something different. Every day is something worse and worse, and people don't want to address the subject. Especially we Jamaicans, we're afraid to talk because sometimes we think so we chat. People say we chat too much, so we tend to shut them out. Trump not play. It might mess up everything for everybody. And enough people don't understand say, when this is all said and done, you know. And the poor people are gonna feel it. The poor people, like I'm myself here, are gonna feel it. Right now, a lot of people don't have no jobs. So, you know it already. But anyways, if you like the video, please consider liking and subscribing. And turn the notification bell on. And make me see where I feel, you know, because some people might think that I talk too much. But let me tell you something. I love in Jamaica. Love in Jamaica and love in and keep on the things when I have on the yard. Because if we never go back, when they can't bite back. Alright? God bless.